Welcome to the Bowwow theory, a fascinating idea about the origin of language. This theory suggests that early human speech began with imitations of natural sounds like the bark of a dog or the crip of a bird. It is an intriguing glimpse into how our ancestors might have started to communicate. Imagine a time when human communication was in its infancy. The Bowwow theory paints a vivid picture of how it all began. According to this theory, our ancestors started to communicate by mimicking the sounds of the world around them. They might have imitated the chirping of birds, the rustling of leaves, or even the roar of a distant waterfall. As humans began to associate these sounds with specific meanings, language slowly started to take shape. For example, the sound of a growling animal might have been associated with danger, while the sound of running water could signify a source of life sustaining refreshment. This primitive form of communication laid the foundation for the development of more complex languages. The Bowwow theory offers a fascinating glimpse into the origins of human language, suggesting that our ability to communicate verbally may have evolved from our innate ability to mimic the sounds of the world around us. In this line, we explore some intriguing examples of Bowwow sounds believed to have originated from the sounds made by animals. For instance, the word "oof" imitates the sound of a dog barking, while moo is the sound of a cow. Similarly, the word tweet reflects the quiping of a bird. These sounds provide a glimpse into how early humans might have started to associate specific sounds with the creatures and objects around them. As they began to use these sounds to refer to these entities, a rudimentary form of language began to emerge. While the Bowwow theory is just one of several theories about the origin of language, these examples offer a compelling insight into how our ancestors might have first started to communicate through imitation of the world around them. Despite its intriguing premise, the Bowwow theory has faced criticism from linguistics and scholars. One of the main criticisms is that language is so far too complex to have developed solely from the imitation of natural sounds. While mimicking animal noises might have been a starting point, it is unlikely to have been the sole driving force behind the evolution of language. Critics argue that other factors, such as the need for social interactions and the complexity of human thought, likely played a more significant role in the development of language. For example, the need to convey abstract concepts or to coordinate the group activities could have required a more sophisticated form of communication than simple sound imitation. While Bowwow theory offers an intriguing perspective on the origins of language, it is important to consider the complexity of human communication and the many factors that may have contributed to its development. In conclusion, the Bowwow theory offers a thought provoking insight into the origins of human language. While it may not provide a comprehensive explanation for the complexity of language evolution, it underscores the significance of our natural environment in shaping early forms of communication. The theory suggests that our ancestors' imitation of natural sounds played a role in the development of language, highlighting the intimate relationship between humans and their surroundings. While language undoubtedly evolved through a combination of factors, including the social interactions and cognitive development, the Bowwow theory reminds us of the importance of our environment in shaping the way we communicate. Overall, while the Bowwow theory may not be the complete story, it serves as a valuable reminder of the intricate and fascinating journey of human language evolution.
Thank you for watching. If you want to obtain a completion certificate, please click the link to our site. Sign up and choose the course level. It is mandatory to watch all the videos and finish the corresponding quiz within the time limit to unlock the final quiz. Get your course completion certificate after completing the final quiz of that level. Happy learning!